Hello, and welcome to the Vertex Forges component introduction for the Accordion component. The Accordion component enables collapsible content sections, ideal for organizing detailed information in a clean, space-saving format. Whether you're structuring FAQs, documentation, product specs, or side menus, accordions help users find what they need without visual clutter. The Accordion component is a simple but powerful tool to improve structure and usability, offer compact content that expands on demand, with total control over look, feel, and behavior without requiring a developer. Fill your trigger and content slots with any component blocks of choice, set a custom indicator icon, and set component, content, and trigger theme options to make Accordion components entirely your own. Set behavior, such as the option to open it automatically in Visual Editor mode or open it by default for your end users. With complete theme flexibility and content area support, you control both appearance and behavior. Easily create interactive, elegant content structures that your users can explore at their own pace. Accordion components are perfect for structured, dense, or optional content. They give your visitors control over what they want to see while maintaining design simplicity and hierarchy. Expandable content with just a click.